Okay, so worksheet, volume, cylinder, number 7. So volume of a cylinder is pi r squared times h times the height. And so we just need to plug in our values for the radius and the height. So looking at radius, and well, we see in our illustration they did not give us radius. What they gave us was a diameter, right? All the way across, that's the diameter. Radius is going to be half of that. We need to divide by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So we're going to put 5 in for r, right? So 5 squared times the height, which in this illustration we can see is 11. Now we're going to take right, pi, and then 5 squared, that's order of operations. We need to use that exponent right there. So 5 times 5, that's 5 squared, right? And then that's 25 times 11. All right, next we're going to take, so volume equals pi, and then 25 times 11 is going to be 275. And we can write that in terms of pi, right? Put the number first, 275 times pi. Well, in our directions, if you read the directions, it says find the exact volume of the cylinder. Well, guess what? This is the exact volume right here. So exact volume, when it's exact, it's in terms of pi. And we can see that if we multiply this out. So if we try instead, it's okay if you did, right? Don't go back and change all your answers. It's no big deal. But I just want you to pay attention. So if you were to use, let's say 3.14 as an estimate for pi, so 275 times 3.14, then you are going to get 863.5 cubic centimeters. Well, right. Oh, we should have had cubic centimeters on the first answer, but all right. Now, if instead you use the pi button in your calculator, right, you just put 275 times the pi button, it would have been 863.9, not the same number. So those are just estimates, both of them. They're not wrong. So don't go back and change your answer. The directions, it's just easier. You don't have to multiply out the pi. Super easy. Okay, so they're not wrong. It's just they're just estimates. So any of those answers would be fine or correct with me. I just want you to know the difference.